Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Sal. Today I will share with you about a new brilliant project named as Dollar Mochi. I will show all its detail in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. If you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. Mochi is basically the Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase, Pat Cat on Base chain, and it is the first mover meme coin on Coinbase blockchain. And you can see it is the first ever meme coin on Coinbase blockchain. $20M market cap, ATH $80M, and listed on different listing $1 million market cap wallet here. So now I will share with you about another thing on chain. Summer is back here, so you can see it here. ETH ETF May was approved on May 23rd. With the ETF inflow starting soon, interest in ETH paired meme coin should see an increase. And it is a base is a layer 2 blockchain incubated by Coinbase and fastest growing L2 in cryptocurrency. You can see currently Coinbase and Base are running their 3-month long on-chain summer campaign, which is given here, and I'm showing they are inviting builders, creators, brands, and artists, co-creators on-chain summer with them. And Base, their partners, offering over 600 ETH, which is $2 million here. You can see it here. Their about is given here. So further, I will share with you the next post, which is about the open invite to build on the contract powering the smart wallet experience. You can use it, allow users to create wallet and come on chain easily, allows 100M plus Coinbase users to spend their Coinbase balance on chain, and it is given here. So next further they have the tweet which is given about like that on how this will drive retail adoption. So you can see bro, if that Coinbase smart wallet integrates with all chain, and that's you can read that and get to know about it too. The basically the speculation is that these easy onboarding tools combined with the Coinbase's 100M plus CEX users will lead to another meme coin season for Base this summer. So further now I will share with you about the cat coin narrative here. So Catcoin market cap is 1.5 billion and Dogecoin market cap is $43 billion. So now I will share with you about the Mochi. This one here you can see its video is given. You can see that here. This is opening hook, and are you ready for our chain summer and meet Mochi, the first mover meme on the Base chain, inspired by the Brian Armstrong, CEO of Coinbase Cat, and they are unique selling point. Mochi is not just a meme coin; it's the cutest cat meme in crypto with a vision of onboard users to Base chain and the broader crypto ecosystem using its basically inspired by IP. You can see it is here. So basically their origin story is about the Mochi. Further I will share with you, Mochi is the name after the basically Brian Armstrong cat, and is one of the first meme coin on the Base chain, as I share with you. And the Mochi brand and NFT collection known as name as Mochi Ones, as you can see here, which is name is given here, are designed by the original artist behind the basically Pensions, the second largest NFT collection with a floor price of 11.6 ETH, means Ethereum. They have the art and media, they have the visual appeal, showcase examples of Mochi's art, IP, and animation to the highlights its unique and engaging content. So here you can see I share with you all that, and you can see ever wanted to buy at the rate of Base merch, and you can see with Dollar Mochi you can basically now pay using Dollar Mochi. These Coinbase commerce, you can see thanks to the Coinbase wallet and also the commerce CB. For that you can see pay with Dollar Mochi. You can use Dollar Mochi on Coinbase commerce, like for doing different basically trading works, etc. You can use that here. They have the social media access too. You have retail friendly. It is widely considered to have the best retail creators and content in the meme coin, making it attractive choice for investors coming for Coinbase. You can see it's so cute, and basically their vision is about onboarding users and mass appeal and leveraging IP. So further you can also contact them on the Telegram. They have their given Telegram. You must go and follow them on their social media accounts, and you can easily be a part of their team, and they have 165 subscribers already. Their roadmap and future development is NFT success success here. So they will go for the NFT success, and they will go for the 100x return holders. They will go for the NFT success and also upcoming projects. You can see it here. They have launched a game called Tamochi, and real life products such as toys and basically different things, various on-chain innovation using Coinbase new smart wallets. They have funding and support too. They have the market presence, exchange listing. Mochi is listed on top exchanges, reaching on immersive market cap $80 basically million, and now at $20 million. They have the community engagement here. So I share their details. I'm sharing their basically Twitter, their Telegram, all with you, and they have exchange listing also, and with the on-chain summer here, and Coinbase smart wallet bringing 100M plus Coinbase users on-chain now. It is the perfect time to get exposed to Mochi and Base. So I invite you, all of you, to must go and follow them on the Twitter, on the Telegram, and I share all their details which is given here. So I invite you to follow Mochi on social media, check out their art and NFT collection, and stay tuned for their exciting development during on-chain summer. I will give all their links in my video description. So if you want to go on it, must go and see it. And if you like my video, give thumbs up. Must subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.